Hey beauties, thanks for tuning in to CYB TV. This is Cherish. If this is your first time, welcome, welcome. Glad to have you tuning in. And if you've been subscribed for a minute, hey, glad to have you back. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a freestyle makeup look, trying out the Wahala palette by Juvias Place. Haven't opened it up yet, so I'm super excited. So if you want to see what I come up with, then definitely keep on watching. So first, let's get started. I'm going to be doing my brows. Voila! No. So I've already done my brows. Next, I'm going to use some concealer to conceal them. And I'm going to be using this concealer by Juvias Place in the shade, I believe, 10. I'll have the shades and everything linked on the bottom so you can check that out. And I am just going to carve out my brows just to define them. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my fingers just to blend it out, and there you go. Next, I'm going to be taking this Juvias Place foundation, and this is the shade Burkina. I think that's how you say it, but yes, y'all, this shade looks super light, I know, but I promise once everything's done and this foundation oxidizes, it's going to look better, okay? So I'm just putting this all over my face, getting every nook and cranny. Now I'm going to use this powder to set my eyes and also my brows. This just helps take away that shine from the brows. Alright, so now it's time for the Wahala palette, aka drama palette, y'all. So I'm opening this up. I'm going to, just show y'all everything because it's my first time seeing it and really just opening it. So these colors though, look at those colors. Like, I was super excited after seeing these colors. It's like, oh, they look good. So yes. We're gonna go ahead and start and take pride in everything that we do, y'all, because we are worth it. We have everything we need in order to be successful. So we're gonna go ahead and use this pride color. And now I'm gonna take Be You, and y'all, I just advise everyone to be yourself. Be you. Be the person that God has created you to be. Just putting that on top of the pride color and making sure that is blended in good. And yes, sis, no matter what, you are worth it, okay? Don't let people bring you down. Don't let people make you think that you're not good enough, because that's a lie. That's a lie, sis. So now we're going in with clout, because for me, I don't chase clout. All I'm trying to do is live my best life. I'm just trying to do me and do what I love. And that's, everything beauty, fashion, all of that stuff. So yes, so we're going to stand up for what we believe in. We're going to stand up for, our morals, our values, Plus, I just believe I'm here to help people look good, feel good by any means, and be fire. So I'm just taking fire in that crease and just making it everything pop out, because we're all meant to pop out and be different and bold and stand out. Let our light shine, you know what I'm saying? Alrighty, so once I'm finished with the first eye, I'm going to move on to the next. So voila, I'm going to be using that word a lot, you guys. So now I'm just using the concealer again. So I'm just going to highlight my face. Alright, so I'm just going to use my finger because I just feel like my finger just gets everything blended in and it's much quicker. I used to use brushes. I still use brushes and beauty blenders sometimes, but I don't know. I'm just using my fingers right now. And I'm just blending everything in. Now I'm going to take the powder again, and yes, I'm using that powder to set everything, my under eyes, my nose, all of that. Now I'm taking that palette from Juvia's Place, the Saharan Blush Palette Volume Number 1, and I'm just contouring my cheekbones. And I'm going to make sure I just contour the rest of my face, blending in that jawline. Yes, we got to blend in that foundation, y'all, because, you know, it was looking crazy, right? But now it's everything's coming together. So I'm just going to go ahead and make sure I contour that forehead a little bit. Now I'm going to take the Juvia's Place highlight, and I'm just going to use my finger to put that on. And look at that highlight, though. I really love this highlighter. It's a really good one. I use it like almost every day, seriously. So now I'm just going to take that powder off, y'all, and just blend everything in. That's what I'm doing right now, making sure that's not too, you know, obvious, and just blending in all of that. Now I'm going to take a little highlight from my nose to bring out that bridge, you know. You know how it is. Now, eyelash time. So I'm just using these lashes that I got from Eviya Beauty. I'll have the link in the bottom. Get 15% off when you use my code. So yeah, definitely check that out. But now I'm using that same blush palette, the dark shade, and using that for my under eye just to create a little bit more drama. And now it's time for the lips. So I'm using this Juvia's Place lip duo. So it's a matte shade and then like a shinier shade. So that's what I went on with. I don't know, I just felt like this lip combo will do. So I'm just going to add a little highlight to the bridge of my lip, or, you know, the Cupid bow. And there y'all have it. Voila! Oh, first let me do these earrings. Boom, queen. Yes, you're a queen. You're made out of God's image, so yes, you're a queen. All right, so there y'all have it. This is the finished look. I really like how the colors came together. And like I said, I just freestyled, so I saw the colors that I wanted to use, and I just put that together with a little bit of, you know, extraness on top of that, you know, with the speech. But yeah, y'all, if you guys like how this makeup look came out, then definitely subscribe, thumbs this video up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.